Hello students of Standard 10. Once again, I Sudhir Kumar in front of you with topic economics, right? I have uploaded two videos of economics part 1 and part 2. I think all of you have just view and listen seriously and carefully. And I think after viewing or watching those videos, you have got a clear cut in your mind about economics. For standard 10, it is not a new thing, right? Already you have studied in standard 9 very very in details, right? And economics is very important and interesting component of social studies. It gives us real life vision, what we just going around the society for survival of life, that much more interested and integrated with the generation of income and its proper distribution and its use. Generally just study in economics, right? In a small scale, how the product, mean the goods and services are just produced, we just study in standard 9. Now we will in standard 10 just study that how economy of a nation, how economy or the income or consumption just happened for a country, right? How the calculation of national income, how the calculation of the consumption for whole nation, how per capita income decided, how just comes out in front of that a country just become developed, developing or underdeveloped, right? So the different factors we will study in standard 10. So you can say in standard 10 the broad aspect of economy will be studied. Very interesting topic is just going to start today, right? And today's topic is development, right? This is first chapter of standard 10, or you can say it's a official beginning of economics in standard 10 with first chapter development. Now when we talk about the word development, what does it mean? And in my point of view, or maybe in your point also, there is a lot of different meaning of development. Whatever the different peoples having different notion, different views about development. Till the now, it may be possible in your mind, when I just told you development, then few words just comes in your mind. Those words are progress, those words are growth, right? No doubt it is right. Growth, progress and development, these are the similar words having similar sense. But whenever we will talk about economics or in the purpose of economy or social sector having different meaning of development, progress or growth. Right? Different meaning of development, progress and growth. I will prove today the growth and progress are just a component of development. Development is a very broad sense word having a lot of progress. Let a person was very poor, but he got one of sudden crore of rupees as a lottery, or they will got a treasury just under the land. Their economical condition improved. Anyway, he got few quantity of gold. Maybe due to these resources, either gold or money from lottery or money from gift, their economical conditions improved. And you will see now they have a good building to live. Their lifestyle of eating or wearing clothes was just enhanced, right? But there is not changing in their thinking. Till the now they are talking like illiterate. The good person or the honorable person or prestigious person of society do not want to meet him. They didn't go at their doors. They are not participating in any cultural or social issues with them. Right? Then you can say that person is developed, because till the now they are not got any type of social prestige. He do not got the level of education. His children are not going to study in school or colleges. Means educational progress did not happen. Social development, social progress did not happen. The cultural development did not happen because because he don't have manner how to talk with senior, junior, elder, younger. Right? Now I think just becoming clear in your mind. So we finally can say that that person just economically progressed, but do not social, cultural or traditional progressed. So overall you can say there is not condition of development. Development concerned all those sectors or spheres of life which influence the quality full of life. And this quality just comes from the progress of every sector, like educational, like economical, like social, like cultural. When a person will get, or when a society will get progress in every economical, social, political, cultural, then you can say there is the condition of development. Otherwise, if there is individual progress just happened in individual person or group of person or a society, then you can say there is only growth. So now it is clear to everyone the difference between the growth and development. Growth just happened in individual sector. Growth is just progress in individual sector, whereas development is the growth in every sector. Development means the progress or growth in every sector which makes a human ideal full life, right? So it is clear to everyone what is difference between the growth and development. Growth is small word compared to development. Growth just happened in individual or a special sector or one sector, but development means progress or growth in every sector that connected to human life, right? Dear students, now we can define what is development. Progress and growth in every sector which influence life of people is called development, right? Progress and growth in every sector which influence life of people is called development. Now development is what? Development is just idea, and I know and all of us know idea just differs from person to person. Maybe what is good idea for me maybe bad idea for you, right? So the idea just differs from person to person, right? Now idea means what type of idea? About the country, about individual. Means development is either individual idea or about country idea or about the people's living at a particular place, their ideas. Whenever it may be possible, I will just ask from all of you. Anyone will say the development means having a luxurious four-wheeler car. A person who has four-wheeler car having a luxurious car like BMW, Safari, Mercedes, then he is developed. Another student, he can just say a person who is well educated, having good buildings, having social prestige, few of the peoples of the society just coming and asking for their idea, their suggestion or views, that is development. For another student, it may be possible if any persons just become politician, MLA, MP, then development. So the notion or views of development just differs from person to person. By another example, try to understand. Let farmer, businessmen and tribals, right? Let you just have to inquire with some person. You just inquire with a farmer that about, you will just ask him about the development. Then maybe possible that farmer will reply that having better irrigation. Whenever better irrigations will be provided, the loan facilities by bank is provided, having a good price of their food grains, This is the condition of development. Then we become developed. Same questions will be asked from businessman. Then he can ask, there should be given by the government tax benefits. Less taxes will be imposed over the businessman. Continuous supply of electricity and the cost of electricity is very less. By this, development happened. Right? When the country developed, it may be possible the tax reductions will be happened. Continuous electricity supply will be happen. Better transportation facility will be available. Right? But the same question be asked for tribals. Then he can about the development that there should be banning the construction work. Whatever the construction or making of the dams, making of the railways, making of the mall, making of the cities. But it will be perhaps suggestion of the tribals that such constructive work be stopped. Then there is development for tribals, because tribals people do not want to interfere. They want to live in their natural residence, which is forest. But in the same area, you will ask from the other person or common people, then he will say there is continuing of the construction work that will provide employment for them, that will provide a lot of privileges for them. So you will say at same place, two peoples have two different notion or two different thinking. So overall, we can say there is different notion or different thinking, right, for the development. Right, there is different thinking for development of the people. So development concerned different ideas of the different people at different places. This depends on different circumstances. Right? Now it is written here, notions thinking for development is different for different people. What may development for me may not be development for others. It may even be destructive for the others. What should be the development criteria for few people? The same ideas will be destructive for other peoples also, as you just see in the common peoples of a particular place or the tribals. Right? So dear students, having different notions, different thinking of the development for the different peoples. Right? Dear students, we will study in very details in this chapter resources. Right? Now we will see the sustainable development and a lot of topics, right, in this chapter. Dear students, one more thing, development in simple sense, it just concern in development in economics, it simply concern the income and other goals. Right? So we will continue furtherly in next video with further context or further information of development. I hope you will get a good ideas about the development, difference between progress and growth. Right? So we will see in another video with few more information. Thank you. Have a nice day.